Returning from my walk to the village and approaching Val du Bruon, where my gîte is. There are 3 buildings: the main house, the barn, the end of which hosts my apartment, and an extra cottage. I wonder what that little cottage was originally. Maybe where the employee's family or a family member stayed, or maybe it was a carriage house. Being an HSP, I've been picking up garbage, this piece of styrofoam, along the road as I go. I got too much, so I made a little pile, and I'm going to go pick it up in somebody's driveway. Hopefully I didn't tick them off too much. It might be just me, but this is pretty much the perfect setting for this HSP. I'm really grateful to be here. Thank you for continuing to tune in to my HSP travel vlog. And I hope if you are enjoying the content that you'll subscribe and share it around. I know it's personal, but heck, I'm just really trying to support highly sensitive people. And maybe you're like my mom, and this is how you are traveling through France by doing it with me. Or maybe you're somebody who might like to come and see some of this. Or maybe you'll just take some of these experiences I'm having and allow them to support and help you in your travels. Well, here, I'll give you another little lesson. See this sign, this yield sign? This is céder le passage, and that means yield. Give passage to the people on the main road. And look, I had it wrong. Domaine du Val Bruon. Pretty sure I saw somewhere another sign that said Val du Bruon, but this is a sign that's here at the driveway.